kids, this is Aunt Francine. Are you ready to be detectives of truth? I hope so. This lesson is regarding persecution, and you can find all these resources on the 3abnkids.tv website. Also, you can find out more information on our app, and let me log into my computer. And on the app, you can find the kids programming, and on there you can see what's going on our app. So we hope that you can do that on your iPad or iPhone or Android. Any of those resources should work. And so on these resources at the 3abnkids.tv website, you can find the lessons. So this week's lesson is regarding persecution, and Stephen had been talking about who God is and testifying who he was, even under great persecution. And he was willing to go out into the community, and he knew that his life was at risk, and he didn't care about that. He was still preaching who God was. And no matter what, he was being dragged out of the city, and he knew what was going to happen. And yes, he was stoned. And the people in the Christian community didn't know what to do. And they were talking with Philip and other believers, and realizing that maybe the promises that God had said in Isaiah would come true, and that they should go out into Syria and around the world and spreading the gospel of God. And so they decided to go ahead and pack their things. Now, I have had a couple students actually, that had to flee their country because of persecution. Their lives were at stake. And that would be a very hard thing to do. Could you do it? I hope so, because God is always there, no matter what the circumstances are. Even when Satan is trying to do bad, just like Saul was there. He was there at the stoning of Stephen, and Saul was saying, no matter what, I am going to get rid of this nation. And he was going to do everything in his power. But God can turn what is evil to good. And that reminds us of a promise in Romans 8, verse 28. And it says, and we know that all things work together for good to those who love God, and to those who are called according to his purpose. God has a purpose for you. Are you ready to follow his will? Remember that you can find these resources on the 3abnkids.tv website. Here's a little craft that you can make for this lesson, reminding us that they had to be able to flee. They could load their belongings and flee the city to preach the gospel for God. So you can find out these lessons. Here's some questions, some crossword puzzles, and remember to look at the 3ABN Kids website, as well as the app. Until next time, goodbye.